Hello everyone. How are we this morning? Welcome to Trader Z. Today we were looking at NAK on Webull. Let me get back over to Webull. There we go. Actually, we were looking at LAC. That was a call out from the Discord. But we were also looking at NAK. Oh, what are you doing, NAK? It's down to 103. Let's go. 96, 116. We'll check back on this one later. But like I said, we were looking at LAC. That was a call out from Danielle. So I gotta get to the chat. There it is. So let's go to the 2 minutes. So I looked at this one earlier and I believe it was somewhere in here. Hitting 7:30. The 5 minutes. 2 minutes. Again, 2 minutes looks better. And there it's going. 7:34, 7:35. Okay, so let's wasn't quite ready to get into a trade yet this morning. I do want to keep an eye on that, but let's come down here. Wait, I'm on regular trades. Let's go to paper trades because I got all my stuff on paper. Going down to the heat map, we're on the 1 month. Let's go to the 1 day again. QURE. That one's a new name. Trading at 51, was trading at 13. So this past week it's gone up. Okay, so this one is up 247% with a 2.61 billion market cap. And it's QURE. Uh, SHFS. I don't know why that's, I struggled with that for a second. It's up 123% with a 21 million market cap. LAC, that's the one we were looking at earlier. That one's up 95%, 14 million market cap. But let's take a peek at SHF. So that one earlier this week was trading at 305, went to 1449, back down to 638. If that one continues trending, I might add it to the list. Same with this one. ATCH. Stop it. Go away. That one's up 67%. 10 million market cap. RCT, that one's up 64. 71 million market cap. I'll read these next two because they're up more than 50%. but then we'll move on to the next thing. CLPT up 58% with a 548 million market cap in DBGI. Click it too. Up 57% with a 30 million market cap. So DGBI, there was CLPT, RCT, ATCH, ATCH, LIC, SHFS, and QURE. And this one I'm a little more interested in, I think. What does it look like on the 1 month? 3 months of 11, $7, 1 year, $4, $3. Trading above 52 for that. Okay, actually I'll keep an eye on this one. Okay, so let's go to the 5 days. Stop it. SLNH. That one, I believe, was from earlier this week. Hey, Vix. Hey, Trader Z. Sorry, I did terrible at reading chat. I need to like right here. Anyway, this is Soluna Holdings. Going to the 1 day. It's been trading between 229 and 397. Currently we're at 313. Another 5 days. This one's a channel. I'll add this one to my watch list. Just because I like that that trend for this month. Okay, and moving on to BREA. That one we've been watching. It's up 244% with a 79.52 million market cap. QURE, that was one that was up for the 1 day. It's up 235% on the month and 2.61 billion market cap. AGM. I'm struggling with tickers today, guys. AGMH. 230% up, 230% with a 24.89 million market cap. We have ARBB still up for the month. That's the month. There we go. Still up for the month. Not quite where we were. That one's up 145%, and it has a almost a 21 million market cap. BETR, that one's we've been seeing this past week. Up 137% on the month. 1 billion market cap. SHFS. That one is up 123% on the month. It was also on our daily, our top 10 daily. IBG, that one's up 115, and it's got a 6.5 million market cap. Then we got BKKT. That one's up 106% on the month with a 462 million market cap. NUAI, that one is up 104% with a 23, almost 24 million market cap. MBX, that one is up 102, and it's got a 675 million market cap. $7 to $28. 17, 19, 5 days. That would have been a nice little profit. Get it right there at 7.39 and sell it at 28. Okay. Let's go to the month. QMM, that one's still up. Not quite as much as it was. It was up over 2,000% earlier this week and last week. Pull it up real quick so y'all can see what is going on with the stock. Why are we over here? Okay. 5 days. Okay, ORBS. That's up 776% on the month. That's one we've been talking about. It's got a 3 billion market cap. PTNM, up 768% with a 195 million market cap. SLNH, that one was also on our earlier list. Yeah. I didn't show you PTNM. There it is. We may come back to this one. Okay, so Luna, which we were already talking about earlier. SKBL, that's up 498% with a 41 million market cap. SOGP, that one's at 478 with an 88 million market cap. WLDS, that one's been on the list since last week. Don't remember when we started seeing it. But it is up 425% with a 32 million market cap. BREA, that one's been on the watch list for a while. It's also up for let's go back to BREA. It is also up for the 5 days and the 1 day. It is up. Okay, so ATCH, that one is up 258% with a 10 million market cap. CWD is up 248% with a 27 million market cap. And CHEK is up 239 with a 50 million market cap. And both of those were also on the list yesterday and have been trending. They may, no, it looks like an up pattern to me. Okay, I wanted to look at a couple of these again. BREA 24. And then, what's it? PTNM. So 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years. Okay, I think what happened here? It's probably not all at once though. 1 year. Hmm. I was gonna look at the Discord, but I keep looking back at this chart, debating on whether I want to add it to my watch list. It is already on my watch list, so I guess I'll just keep it there. ORBS, that is one that's called out in the Discord a lot. Let's see what it's doing. Trading at $12. I believe some of the traders made money off of it earlier this week, if I recall. Oh, okay. So I guess we'll go over some 52-week highs real quick. BETR, 52-week high, BREA, 52-week high. We're just gonna list the tickers, unless it's something that we haven't already checked out on a previous page. QURE, I'll pull that one up because I don't think it was on one of the earlier lists, but we have talked about it earlier this week. So it's up 167% with a 2.61 billion market cap. And then ATMV, I don't think we talked about today. That one's up 72% with a 33 million market cap. Actually, I don't. We haven't talked about most of these today. Okay, that's fine. HIUS, that one is up 64%, the 1 billion market cap. RGTI, that one's up 60%, 10 billion market cap. NVXT, that one's up 60%, 779 million market cap. Oklo, that's one we've talked about a lot this week and last week. That one's up 50% with a 19 billion market cap. UAMY, that one is up 48% with an 855 million market cap. MFH, that's up 43% with a 873 million market cap. And QBTS, I don't know if we've talked about this recently, but this is also another one that I got from the Discord. Um, it's up 41% and it has a 948 billion market cap. All right, so what else do we want to look at? Ooh, Zem, what are you doing? Ah, where was I when you were doing this? It's okay. Oxford Lane Cap Corp. OXSQ, apparently trending. OCCI, FATBB, Fat Brands, HRZN, WHF, ORC. Hmm. Is this one already on my list? It's not. Add this one to my watch list and keep an eye on it. Okay, so I got to ORC, PSEC. Yeah, PSEC. That one. Oh, and by the way, all of these stocks that I've just gone over have over 20% dividend yield. I probably should have pointed that out. Because PSEC has got a 54-cent dividend, and ARR, that one's got a $2.88 dividend. What did they pay out? 729. Okay, yeah, so this is just what they paid out last time. I keep forgetting that when I look at it. I don't look at this dividend chart very often. I probably should. We'll go up here for my watch list. What time is it? It's 8:38. Let's see what is trending on my watch list. QURE. I think that's the one I added earlier. That one is dipping. Gonna watch it and see what it does. I'm gonna take a peek at LAC. That no. Okay, I was clicking on the right one. Okay, so this one is dip to 709. Trading at 710. BTC bears whack the bulls, and we are now looking at 100,000 support to 108, then 104. Bulls have a lot of proving to do, one time frame at a time. Okay. Thank you, Lori. $706. It's trading at 708, 708, 709. I got it. That's why, because, okay. 712. I was thinking I might be able to get in this trade here, but I don't know. I'll go ahead and put in at 710. No, it's currently 714. It's 4 cents off. Got 4,000 ahead of me there, 3,000 there, and 1,000, 1,500 there. It's 1,400, but I'm sure there's a few bids that I don't see. 15. So let's go to our 2 minutes. I may have to go to 713. How badly do I want in? 12,000. 50,000 to sell at 735. Okay, let's go 713, and we might go 714. 2-minute candle. Okay, so we've got 100 units at 710. I'll sell those 100 units. I won't go that high. The 5-minute candle. Blue. 2 minutes. This one might dip further. Well, maybe not. I don't know this stock as well as some of the other traders, but I'm gonna learn it, of course. This is actually my first, I think my first time trading LAC. See, if I had held off to 710, I could have got it at 710. I should do my stop loss thing. Where would I want to put a stop loss at? Well, probably like right here, but we're already past that. What is that bigger bid at? 676. $68. Selling for 67, 60, 67. Let's see if we buy in another 100 units at 690. Okay, put me at 688. Cool. So I have 200 units at 701, which will be easier, a little easier to recover profit on. So set it 684. It's the low. $93, $94. $92. Okay, I guess it won't show me any more than that. I just was curious if I could edit the features in this and make it show me more information, but it doesn't. Okay, so what are we doing? Trading at is 688, 687. Could have waited to buy this next 100 units. Let's see where we are. Five days. It's still up for the 5 days. Alright guys, this has already put us down $59 on our paper trade account, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut our losses on it. Might be able to buy in later, but I don't. Where's the volume at? No, it doesn't have much volume. 7,000. Yeah, I don't think I want to end this trade anymore. So, just gonna put our sell up. And 71, 72. Ah, okay, so we sold out of that. We were out $71 by the end of it. We had no stop losses set up to protect us, so it did not work out. If I had a stop loss, it would have kicked me, and I would not be down $71 on my paper trade account. But, you know, the plus side of it is it was on paper, not my regular account, so it's always good. And I need to go here. Speaking of my regular account. Oops. Put in my password wrong. Okay, so let's see NAK. What are you doing? You're at $1.05. Hmm. I'll definitely be watching NAK today. It's an interest in it. I want to check it out at 9:30, see what she does. What else is doing things? CLPT, that one's up 5%. Down from yesterday though. 5 days, up on the 5 days. Up on the 1 month. So Luna, we talked about that one. That one's down 18% pre-market. But it's up for the month and yeah, it's up for the month still, so. I don't know if I wanna, it's up 6%. CDLX, that one, well, it's not up, but it's got a 6% change. That one is still up for the month though. Started out with a low of 201, and then we got a high of 283, currently trading in the 250, 240 area. RYN. One's up today. Five days. It's still technically up for the 5 days, 1 month. Let's go 3 months. Okay, so it's up for 3 months. 6 months. It's fine. We're probably not going to trade this one. Today, anyway. We may jump into this one again. Mm. Sorry, my eyes are dry, reading the computer screen. One thing we didn't go over today was the global index. We can go back to that real quick. And I think I can look at it on markets. Yeah. So S&P is down 28%. Dow Jones is down, not, okay. S&P is down 0.28%. Dow Jones is down 0.37. NASDAQ is down 0.34. Shenzhen is down 0.60, or is up 0.67, and Shanghai is down 0.1%. Um, First savings. Look at that one. So it spiked to $36 out of nowhere, it seems. Hit 30 there. Hmm. Hmm. Let's go to the 5 years. Okay, I'll add this one to my watch list. Here we are. So it is 9:01. I'm gonna get my coffee and everything ready. Futures are down this morning. Thank you, Trader Z. But anyway, I'm gonna grab my coffee. I want to pull up LAC because that was the one we were watching earlier. Go back to the 1 day so we can actually take a look at what it's doing right now. Okay. Um, and we will be back in just a minute. Or I will be back in just a minute. We got a call out for AAPL. Apple hit 253, 253.89. We're still at 253. Then we've got a couple more call outs to keep an eye out for. CAPR. Capra Therapeutics. Capricorn. Sorry. Okay, so that one started out at 574. It hit 710, so up $2. This is the 1 day, right? This is the 1 day. Yep. So anyway, it dipped all the way down to 574. It was about six bucks ish. 710. We're still at 681. 2 minutes. It's going blue again on the 2 minutes. 5 minutes still red on that one. And we can go to IMRX. It's another call out. IMRX. Yep. Immune engineering. That's a fun name. Immune engineering. So that one hit 18, back at 9. And it trades between $7 and to $9. Oh, now we're going to 5. 1 month. I mean, it's a med stock. Okay, I don't know that for sure. I'm assuming since it's immuneering, that it is. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Okay, well, yeah, it's definitely doing some things right now. Let's check out some of the other ones. LAC. We've been watching that one, and SGBX. So over here, it's not got any huge bids. I guess it's still $800 right there for 100 units. Okay, so one to keep an eye on, SGBX. Let's go back to LAC, see what it's doing. Kind of watch for a minute. So probably start doing something at 9:30. Or it's already moving. It's just it's gonna say it's just hasn't jumped up there yet, and then it started to. And there it is. Clear Point, CLPT is still up 5.5%. KOD ends up 1.23. That was hard to get out. All right, we're going blue on the 2-minute. We might try to hop in 771, I think. I'll go 770. Not 76. Blah. Don't listen to me. I can't talk. Stop loss, take profit. GTC, we are on LAC, yes. We'll start up with 10 units on it. No, we'll do 20. And I wanted to go, thought I was going to get in at 71. 2 minutes, 1 minute, 73. I may have to come up 2 cents. Oops, I didn't set that to. Since it's 3 minutes till, my order would not go yet. But since it's done doing some things, I want to watch it for a little bit longer. I'm gonna make sure this is all set up. I don't know if we're gonna go before the 2 minutes or not. Looking at this, no. Gonna wait. So 5 minutes. So if I'd gone in at 670 like I had intended, I would be up 7 cents. Well, 4. It's bouncing up and down. Okay. Some of the other stocks are moving. SPRC up 40%. I want to take a peek at that. 3,000. LAC 52-week high. Still going. Oh, look at you. 57, 55%. Good volume. 85. Wish I was watching this earlier. Keep saying 88. Let's try in at 88. No, we're gonna go down. It's a 5 minutes. Still blue. 2 minutes. All right. Can't just sit there and think about it forever. Five minutes. Still blue. Come on. Can do it. Mm, 2 minute candle. Still blue. 5 minute is blue. Oh, we only bought 10 units. We were gonna get a little more than that. That's okay. Don't get me stopped out on this one. That would be Ah, I did get stopped out on that. I lost $2 on that trade. That is unfortunate. $7.46. Let's buy interest. What's volume? I'm debating on whether I want to get back into it or not. Mm. So there were several points there where I could have sold to make a couple bucks profit on it, but I just wanted to wait and see what it did, and that was not the choice because I got stopped out anyway. 850, not 850, 880, or 580. I can't talk, guys. I read numbers apparently. And see, now it's hitting 6. Ah, this is annoying. It's not annoying. It's just, I wish I was still in the trade, but I got stopped out. That's okay. I will post that in the Discord. I should have done that. Well, volume opened up again. We'll buy in again. Just need to figure out where we want to buy in. Let's go to 572. I'll do 10 shares this time. 1072, so let's go 1073. We may not catch it. A lot of buying at 650. Oh, it's okay. So 667. This is gonna get stopped out. Not stopped out, uh, uh, halted. Mm, Scroll down here, take a look at NAK. I don't want to click it, but we'll look at that better later. Should we figure out what this one's doing? Doesn't say that it's halted, but it's being weird. So we're gonna put SPRC right here. So we can click back to it. Okay, and we're gonna look at NAK real quick. So trading $1. So I had debated yesterday on selling about 400 units and then just buying in because it might dip, but it also could have just gone up. So I didn't. I held on to those units, but that's all right. I did sell 100 units the other day, make profit on those. Debating on whether I'll buy in more on these today. OpenAI on the news. Investing billions in development. MS has also shifted tons into AI. Yeah, I saw where They said it wasn't public. It wasn't a public trading company. Okay, so my order was filled. Let's go back to my trade. So this is where it's at. So let's pull up our stop loss and figure out what it's doing. Why does it say I'm down? Okay, whatever. I bought it at limit. Whatever. No, wait. We're just gonna be smart. We're gonna be smart. We're gonna sit it there. Please don't get it. Please don't get it while I check these other ones. We're still within the 2 minutes. No, please don't do that. No! Damn it. Darn it. Sorry, guys. I was really hoping to stay in that trade a little longer. Okay. Well, we flipped it once with success, or flipped it once with a $2 a loss. Flipped it again with we didn't catch the profit on that one. I'll have to go back and check. But so our first trade went red, second trade went green. I should have pulled it up higher, looking at what the candle's doing, but it could go even higher today. It is still blue on the 5 minutes, so. The real story is we have to upgrade the power grid to feed all those pewters the juice. Nuke power is the way. Yeah, but just require a lot of energy. Okay. Now, do we want to get into this again? It is up 86%. What is the volume? It's trading all the way from 36 to 51, 39, 34. Okay, we'll go in one more time for 10 stop loss. 734, 31, 29. Two-minute candle, red, 5-minute candle, green. Yep, green. It's blue for me, but it's cool. Yeah, you guys get it. Less buy interest, 700,000. Let's try to get in at CLPT, new 52-week high. $68. Projections 24. I'm going at 24. Buy interest. There we go. It's looking like there wasn't much buy interest. I was like, do I want it? No, it's doing it again. 704. Hmm. I don't know what bid I should put in. I'm gonna move this up anyway. 1, 2. Mm, 745. Okay, well, I guess we'll just leave it where it's at, see what happens. It's halted. That's sweet. It was gonna do that. Okay, sweet. I got in. What's it doing? $6.26, 6:30, 40, 51. So I could absolutely adjust my stop loss up here and secure $2, $3 profit. And that is absolutely the smartest thing to do, and I probably should do that. But I want to see if this one shoots up and gets halted again. It might cost me a buck though. That would really be unfortunate. But do 60%. Still up 60%. So as long as I don't get stopped out, I might be able to stay in this trade long enough. It's less volume. It's increasing. So it's selling 655, 54, 50, back and forth. I want it to break 666. Actually need it to break 667. Right, broke 667. All right. Okay. Six 680. It's 5 minutes. 670, 672, 74, 72. So running 672 right now, 75. 79, 80. right, so she broke $7. Bump that up to 710. Move up my stop loss now. Should I adjust? I don't know if I should adjust my stop loss or not. Ooh, Oklo. What we got going on Oklo? So we've been halted again, um, and that's fine. We're just gonna pull that up again. 225, 25, and it won't let me really pull my stop loss up much further. So I guess I could pull it up to, oh wow, 9. Okay, so we'll pull it up 750. Maybe that's a bad idea. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, we're up 12 bucks, so that's a good profit on that anyway. Oh wow, look at it go. Hit 840. Okay. 6. I'm up 26 bucks. And it cost me $66 to get into this trade. 63 bucks to get into this trade. Alright guys, I've done well trading the stock today on the 5 minute, so I think I'll just keep trading it on the 5 minute. Just hope I don't get stopped out. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Just take off. Does anybody ever just like nervously move their chart around? Okay, guys, well, I got stopped out. Um, so we sold at 754, which was And it's halted again. Okay, so we've flipped this one twice green, once red. Our profits outweighed our losses on this one today. What else is going on in the market? FSS, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I said that right. Never mind. FSFG is still up 18%. LAC, that's one they've been trading in the group today, making bank on. See a bunch of nice blue candles. It's 10:23. Let's hop over to Thinkorswim real quick. I'll pull that out. So it's installing updates. I think it just says that though. Okay, so we've got sink or swim up. You guys can see it. Give me just a second. Okay. What is? Why is it not showing me any information still? Okay, maybe it's just the paper trade. Let's try logging into the regular trades. Oh crap. I have to do that all over again. So the charts were there for just a second and now they're gone. Why are they gone? Does not make any sense. It's not even showing up. Hmm. QS. Okay, so it's showing this. My chart's on regular trades. Okay, so at least that works. Not sure what was going on with paper, or if you guys could even see that. All of the data, the lines, the graphs, my studies, they were all gone. There was no volume. I could still see pricing and things like that, but it was really weird. Okay, well, I had planned on doing some paper trades on Thinkorswim, but apparently I cannot. So I guess I'm gonna switch back over to Webull real quick and check out NAK, that one, see what it's doing. It's trading at $1.04, hit 99 cents. Oh, QS, that was one. Yeah, QS. Nice. You still have LAC up and paper trades. So I was going to type something in the Discord. I just can't think how to word it. It's 10:30 now, but at 10:15, Nvidia was doing a nice recovery. LIC's doing some stuff. SPRC. I typed it right. Except right there. I didn't. You know what? We've been trading this one today. Let's do a paper trade. Let's see. We're gonna take a bigger position though. That's not what I wanted. Load. Oh, is it halted again? It's about to. You know what? Let's see if we can. Just out of curiosity, see if we can get in it in the large caps. Nope, it's not. Well, it's not gonna let me. So we'll just wait and see what it does. Okay, I just wanted to make sure you guys could see. And I'm not in the way on this one. And now I am. I think. No. Okay. Well, something that is, oh, hey, in UAI, didn't we have a call out for that one? Maybe it wasn't a call out. I think that was one on the trending list. Mine's at 30%. 31, 30. I'm curious if it'll say halted if I switch back to custom. It doesn't. Still doing that. I was muted, but I didn't adjust the cell. Ah, it was still green, but no, yeah, that was still green because that recovered us from some of our profits earlier. So where do we want to go again? Go in again next. Um, Still blue. We're on the 1 minute candle though. Let's go back to the 5. I don't know if we'll make quite as much green as we did before. We might. To the 1 minute. Might be able to get in at 59. Projecting 51. Ah, We'll go 760 on the buy. Maybe 62. What's the 5-minute look like? In it still. Minutes. I can't see the bottom of that candle. Well, no, I'm in the candle. 771. 2. I see some 72s in there. Got excited again, and I jumped in too early. Alright, so we're gonna set up our sell. What do we want to try to sell it for? So we're gonna change that to market. And when we think it's about to drop again, we're gonna sell. We got it set to market price, so it'll sell for whatever price it's gonna be at when we hit that button. Keeps hitting $8. So gonna limit. It's dipping. Just about to sell it for $8. 5 minutes. Okay. We may adjust our sell down if it continues to dip down like that. And we sold it for $8, up $139. So we've got 500 shares. Let's check out the 5 minutes. Bottom of the 5 minutes is 739. So 770. Do I see 770 in here anywhere? 93, 94. There's 70s, 50s. Okay, so I might actually be able to get in at 750 if I'm patient. It was faster than clicking all the way down, or I could just type it in. That's also a thing. So Put in another buy for 500 units at 750. It's slowing down. Volume. Rejection is up. So, oh, now it's a little bit down. We'll just be patient. We'll see what happens. I'm going to switch to the other screen because I am still a little bit in the way while I'm looking at it and everything. AM, a 52-week high. All right, so I got my buy-in again. Now what do we want to try to sell it for? It just dipped right down. All right. And it's halted. So now we wait and see what it does. Let's just put it right there. Whatever. Hmm, that is concerning. I was warned that this stock might crap itself today. So, but with the paper trade, it does feel a little less risky, so you can put yourself in situations like this, but don't be developing bad trading habits or anything. Okay, now that's back at 570. How's your Oklo and QS going, Trader Z? All right, and we're moving again. 7:09, 7:10. Let's go to the 5 minutes. So it's 701, 694, 693, 92, 91. Might have bit me on the last time. I was up 146 bucks on this trade on paper. DVLT is up 38%. NUAI is up 19. KOD is up 19. Looking at this, the bottom of this candle right here. Um, because almost to this bar I have from earlier, I don't think that was a stop loss bar though. Let's go to the 1 minutes. Mm, all right. Well, we can stay in this trade and hope that it gets better, or we can minimize losses and get out of it. And as right as I say that, it starts to turn blue. So watch this little blue candle for a little bit longer. We're getting out soon. Who am I kidding? We're not getting out of this trade soon. We're definitely breaking this down. That's quite a loss that I was not wanting to take. But it's only because I had so many units. One day. Really wish I had could have a stop loss on the paper trade. Okay, I think I want to be done with this stock. So, what I think I can get for it at 55.8. Ah, pop back up there and take my cell. Uh, this is just paper, but I don't like that. Makes me very unhappy. 47. I'll just, now let's dip down further. We're just gonna go down here and get out of this trade and say we're done. Because that is quite a loss. Okay, don't take myself. There you go. So that is disappointing. Ah. But so on cash trades, we did go green on this company a couple of times, and I actually went positive on it $100 earlier, and then this last time I just played for too many on the same stock, and I got burned because I bought in either here or here. I think it was here. No, it was here somewhere, and it dipped on me, and it continued to dip, and I took a loss on that. Stop losses would have saved me quite a bit of money because I would have I would have stopped losing money here or here rather than down here. Look at you going back up. I don't even want you to go up. Just kidding. But yeah, so we're not gonna go for it again. We've already flipped this stock probably like 5 times today, honestly. Maybe it was only four. And then we did some LAC earlier today, which is up 23%, by the way. Um, I guess I'll just go over a couple of ones that are trending right now. Uh, we were on SPRC, but I moved on from that. So DVLT, that one's up 32%. NUAI, that one's up 31. LAC is up 23. ATCH is up 22. KOD is up 20. FSFG is up 17. PLTS is up 13. PTNM is up 8. ORIS is up 7. OPEN is up 6. QURE is up 6. And CNFR is also up 6. And then everything else is below 5. QMM is dropped down to below 5% for the, or to 5% for the day. Its stock has still done some interesting things, so I'm going to keep it on my radar for sure. And before we go, switch this so you guys can see me. Before we go, I want to look at NAK custom trades. Okay, so NAK, I am down 28 bucks for the day. I'm still up from yesterday on this one. It's currently trading at $1.05. I was just thinking about whether or not I should buy more shares. No, I'll leave it alone. It's fine. It's all fine. Looking at SPRC. Okay, alrighty guys. Well, thank you for hanging out with me, and I hope you all were entertained with my silly trades. And I hope that everybody makes green and, trade smart. Don't lose $400 on paper trade like I did today. That was disappointing. But if you're gonna lose it on paper trade, not real money. So, alrighty, guys. Well, we'll see you. Today is Wednesday. Doesn't tell me the day. That doesn't tell me either. Today is Thursday. Okay, so today is Thursday, so we'll be back tomorrow starting at 8. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.